I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your Ark Ascended Ps5 build and whether the server applied the latest patch, because fixes differ by version. Once done, identify the creature producing the tether and measure the leash visually so you know the exact problematic distance. Then check controller binds and remap conflicting inputs if necessary. This prevents accidental tether commands. Make sure you're in single player or have admin access, since some commands require elevated rights before you proceed to in-game repairs. You now adjust tether mechanics directly. Open the admin console and check tether variables such as tether distance, leash strength, and update rate, because these control behavior. Once visible, temporarily disable mods to isolate whether an add-on causes the issue. Mods often override defaults. Next, apply small incremental changes. Adjust tether distance by 0.5 to 1 unit and immediately test movement to observe effects. If distance improves, continue gradual tuning. If it worsens, revert the last change and try adjusting leash strength or update rate instead. You finish by persisting successful changes. Resave game and server settings, then perform a full restart of your Ps5 and the server instance so the new values load cleanly. Once rebooted, if problems persist, reset the tether blueprint to default or unbind, and rebind the creature to force a clean tether creation. If that still fails, examine server and client logs for tether-related errors and test on a clean save to rule out corrupted save data. This single troubleshooting step often reveals mod or save conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.